Instructor for Mitsubishi Motors Nigeria. As part of our DIY series, I'll be taking you through what your dashboard indicator symbols mean, or what some people might call your disco lights. Follow me while I take you through the practical demonstration. We are in the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. We're using this model to show you what these indicator symbols mean. Basically, as a rule of thumb, the dashboard indicators are categorized into three color codes: the red, the green, and the yellow. Basically, the red colors indicate there's a potential problem or a serious problem with your vehicle system and needs to be attended to immediately. The blue color or the green color indicate the system is turned on. It doesn't show there's a problem with your car, it just shows that you turned on the system, maybe your headlamp. The yellow color, sometimes orange, indicates that the car needs to be checked out for repair and you need to drive with caution. So I'll be taking you through some of the most common dashboard indicator lights on your car. As a rule of thumb, whenever you start your car, all the dashboard warning symbols come on. It's just a way for the system to check if the systems are okay. Now, after 3 seconds, every single light should go off. Whichever one stays on simply means there's something wrong with that system. Let me show you. So I'm going to be starting the Eclipse Cross. As you can see, a whole lot of the indicator lights are on, and after a few seconds they should go off. Now they are off, and the only one we have on is the seat belts and the door adjust signal. That simply tells you that the seat belt is not fastened and one of the doors is not closed. Let me show you what I mean. Now I open my door, you can see that the driver door is open. Once I shut it off, the light goes off. Now the seatbelt indicator simply means, like I said, I've not fastened my seatbelt. So let me fasten my seatbelt, and the light goes off. So the next on our list is the engine temperature warning symbol, or the engine's temperature warning lights. When you see these lights on your dashboard, it simply means your engine might be overheating. So what you need to do is to park your car to a safe location, let it cool down, then check for leakages, oil leakages, coolant leakages, coolant level in your reservoir. You can also check your radiator. But mind you, while checking your radiator, you need to be careful because the temperature inside the radiator might be extremely high. So the next we'll be going through is our battery indicator warning lamp. Now when you see a battery indicator warning lamp, it simply means there's something wrong with the charging system. It could be the battery, maybe the battery is going bad. It could be the alternator system. So what you need to do is to check battery terminals, to check if the battery terminals are well fitted, are properly fitted. Also, let's go through the oil pressure warning lamp. Now the oil pressure warning lamp simply tells you there's a drop in oil level in your car, right? And you know the importance of oil in our engine. The oil provides lubrication, provides cooling as well. So once this lamp comes on, it tells you there's something wrong with your oil level. So you need to check by, just like with the engine system, you need to check for leakages, check the oil level, and if the oil level is short, you can top it up. But while you do that, you still need to take it to an authorized dealership to check if the low oil level is caused by leakages. Also, let's go through the tire pressure monitoring system. This is a very good indicator because it tells you that one of your tires or all of your tires are probably overinflated or underinflated. That means your tires are not inflated to the right pressure. You can know the right pressure for your car by simply checking on the central pillar. The tire pressure for all the tires are written there. So what you can do, aside checking is to take it to an authorized dealership or to take it to a vulcanizer, let it check that the tire pressure are well inflated. Let me run you through the transmission warning lamp. Now what the transmission warning lamp does is to tell you there's something wrong with the transmission cooling system. It could be a low ATF level, it could be leakages, it could be a lack of sufficient cooling in the transmission system. Just like the engine system, you need to check that there are no leakages, oil, coolant, that your fan is is in good operational, is working properly. So this indicator is the most common on most cars. Now a lot of drivers seem to ignore this indicator when it comes on their car, which is what the check engine lights. Now, when your check engine light comes on, it doesn't actually tell you what is going on your car, but it tells you there's something wrong with your engine or your transmission system. So what you need to do is to take it to an authorized dealership and let it be diagnosed, let it be checked out. The fault could range from a faulty sensor, a broken ECU, a control unit. So it's something you can't really diagnose yourself. It's something you need to take to an authorized dealership and let them check it out. For more information or other dashboard light symbols and their meanings, simply consult your owner's manual. You can find your owner's manual in your glove compartment. Every car comes with an owner's manual, so it gives you a more detailed explanation of every single dashboard light indicator on your car. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.